Again. Okay, so this one, like, no. Just no. It's like, the hand bugs me. Oh, the head shape. And, like, what's wrong with the hair? Oh, my gosh, I love this one. Like, wow. Get rid of it. This one was, Phil doesn't really approve. It's not, yeah. No. Oh, gosh. Phil does not approve. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Phil approves of this one. Obviously, Phil loves this one. It's just lovely. Yeah, no. Didn't finish, no. I thought, I did this in a green light. I thought the blush was red. I loved this one. She was so lovely. I love this. And this ends with Dustina.